Welcome back to the VST channel, guys. This here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and this here is a monitor. And you know that the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a USB-C port, which I now have connected to my special gun charger that also has an HDMI port connected to this monitor. And well, for the very first time on an iPhone device, guys, I'm now able to use this phone directly with my monitor. And in this video I'm gonna test a few games. Of course, this is the reason why I have here my controller, but I can tell you it's really a big deal, the fact that we now have USB-C, because the gun chargers like this, where you have an HDMI port, right, and you have of course also like PD power delivery, they can enable a lot of things. One of course being projecting your phone to the big screen for the first time. But the best thing, guys, here is the moment I unlock the phone, boom, I'm gonna have a hopefully full-fledged gaming experience. And by the way, you can go and watch my video where I tested a bit more in that PSP emulation on the iPhone and also on the Galaxy. The FPS or the frame rate is not perfect, but I think it's very clear that iOS isn't really the best platform to just have emulation. Still, I think it's playable. Now I read that if you buy the proper equipment, you can probably even get to 4K output. Now right now I'm using an FHD monitor, so this is pretty much the FHD input that I get. It's still very playable. Now I don't have a sound as I didn't really connect my monitor, but you can imagine this is really a huge win for all the iPhone users out there. They can just buy a gun charger like I did with an HDMI in and out, and then that's it, guys. You can just project your iPhone everywhere you want. And I want to do a bit more testing. So again, this here is just emulation, so I'm emulating the God of War Chain of Olympus game. So I know a lot of people are saying, yeah, you know, the iPhone is not built for this and that. Well, you know, I don't really care. It's here, it runs, I can play it, why not? And by the way, the USB-C thing is also a big thing about power and PD whatsoever, right? So now we can probably even charge your iPhone at a better speed, of course, unless Apple didn't really restrict it, which they did. But eventually USB-C is a huge win for the whole community. Now look at me, I'm playing a PSP game on my iPhone, on my PC monitor with a PS5 DualShock. So here we are, guys, we are playing Car X at the best settings on my iPhone 15 Pro Max using the DualShock PS5 controller. And I can tell you, this game really feels nice. Now, when I looked at the screen of the phone, it really feels almost like GT7. Now, on the biggest screen, again, this is only FHD. On the biggest screen, I can tell you this is, yeah, not even so close to GT7. What is interesting is that I now updated my iPhone to the iOS 17.1, guys. I don't have any Facebook chats whatsoever, and it still doesn't run flawless. Now there are some drops here and there. You can just see like the stuttering, but this is not a performance test video. The sole idea of this video was just to show you really the almost endless possibilities of using the new USB-C port on the iPhone, because a lot of people were saying now that's not a big deal, but actually it is a big deal, guys. Just the fact that you can play your games on bigger screens, and forget about games, just watch movies, Netflix, YouTube, right? And also, let's say, productivity. Maybe work on your emails, hook up an external keyboard, then work on your emails, you know, use some sliders, whatever, Excel, whatever you want, right? Like, so this thing really is a productivity boost, but also a gaming boost. And I think I'm completely able to show this only by just playing this very beautiful game, Car X. So this is it, this is why I wanted to do this video, and let me show you guys how the magic happened. This here is the AceFast gun charger. They sent it to me a while ago, I even did a review. Here you can see, guys, we have 4K UHD, we have also 65 watts, it's PD, right, and we have also a proper USB and a USB-C. So the moment you hook up your iPhone to the USB, right, and then you hook up your monitor to the 4K output, guys, boom, and then this beautiful thing here will turn into that beautiful thing that you saw. So really, thank you so much for watching this video. If you think videos like these are helpful, don't forget to sub. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing.